I love a fresh baked loaf of bread, but I absolutely hate cutting it. I hate cutting it because I constantly get uneven slices, super thick slices. They're sliced on an angle. And that is why I was super happy to receive this bread slicing guide kit, whatever you want to call it, from the brand. So thank you so much for gifting this to me. Now, homemade bread or fresh, even if you buy it from the bakery, a fresh loaf of bread that you want to slice yourself because you want certain width of slices and they only usually give you thin or thick. This is great. So how it works is you just put your loaf of bread in the middle, so it goes up to as wide as it is here, and then as you can see there's more grooves along here, so you can make it narrower. So you could even do like a baguette, and then it has these on the ends that you can put in, so you just put your bread up against there, and then you're going to slice your knife through where the grooves are. So you can, this is probably, you can do 2 of them would be like almost an inch wide. So you can pick whatever your width is, and it even has 2 more of narrower ones. So if you like super thinly sliced bread, you're going to use these ones. You want it a little thicker, you use these ones. So it's great because it comes with the 2 options, and it comes with that. The other thing that I love about it, so you can use this as your bread tray after you slice up the bread, but after you are done, everything just fits. So these just pop out when you're done with it, and it all just fits nicely inside, and it can be stored away so it doesn't take up a lot of space. So if you love sliced fresh baked bread but you hate slicing it, or you can never get even slices, you need to give this a try. Your guests will be floored when you have perfectly sliced, perfectly baked bread to serve with your dinner when you have guests over. Absolutely love this. Got to try it. Thanks so much.